Good evening. Today I am going to discuss about the topic classifications of data mining. Data mining systems are referred to the process of extractions important data from raw data. It analyzes the data patterns in huge sets of data with the help of several softwares. Ever since the development of data mining, it is being incorporated by researchers in the research and development field. Next, coming to classifications of data mining system. Data mining refers to the process of extracting important data from raw data. It analyzes the data pattern into huge sets of data with the help of several softwares. Ever since the development of data mining, it is being incorporated by the researchers in research and development field. And the classification based on the mined database. With data mining, businesses are found to gain more profit. It has not only helped in understanding customer demand, but also in developing effective strategies to enforce overall business turnover. It has helped in determining business objective from making clear decisions. Data collections and data warehouse and computer processing are some of the strongest pillar of data mining. Data mining utilizes the concept of mathematical algorithms to segment the data and access the possibility of occurrence of future events. Then classifications of the database are classification based on the mined databases, classification based on the types of mined knowledge and based on statistics, machine learning, visualization, information science, utilized techniques which are used in data mining systems and adapted applications. And the classification based on the type of knowledge minded may have the following functionalities, which is characterization, discriminations, association and correlation analysis, classification, prediction, outlier analysis, evaluation analysis. Classification based on the techniques which may have the following types of techniques that are being incorporated. These techniques can be assessed based on the involvement of user interactions, involvement or the methods of analysis employed. Next, classification based on the application adopted are as follows, which are finance, telecommunications, DNA, stock marketing, email. And then let's discuss these classification based on data mining system with the student group discussion. Let's start with the student discussions.
And today our discussion revolves around the classification of data mining system. Let's start by defining what data mining systems are and why their classification is important. Data mining systems are tools and techniques used to extract valuable insights and patterns from large data sets. Classifying these systems helps in understanding the functionalities and applications better. Exactly. Now let's delve into the classification itself. Who can explain the first type of data mining system?
The first type is supervised learning system. These systems require a labeled data for training and making prediction or classification based on the labeled data.
Great explanation. Can someone provide an example of a supervised learning system?
Sure, an example would be a spam email filter and to classify incoming emails.
Excellent. Moving on, what about the second type of data mining system?
The second type is unsupervised learning system. Unlike supervised learning, these systems work with unlabeled data to find hidden patterns of structures.
Can you give us an example of an unsupervised learning system?
Clustering algorithms like K-means are good example. They group similar data points together without prior labeling.
Perfect. Let's talk about the third type now.
The third type is semi-supervised learning systems. These systems use a combination of labeled and unlabeled data for training, which can be helpful when labeled data is scarce.
Could you provide an example of semi-supervised learning?
One example is speech recognition, where some data may be labeled while others are not, but they can still be used for training.
Well explained. We have one more type of discuss.
The fourth type is reinforcement learning system. These systems learn through trial and error, receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties based on their actions.
Could you share a real-world application of reinforcement learning?
One example is training algorithm for autonomous vehicles. They learn to navigate by receiving feedback for safe driving behaviors.
Excellent example. Finally, let's discuss the benefits of classifying the data mining system.
Classifying these systems help to choose the right approach for specific tasks. Understanding their limitations and advancing search in data mining.
Absolutely well said. Unfortunately, our time is up for today. Thank you for all your insightful contribution for this discussion. Let's continue exploring data mining system and their classification in future sessions. Thank you.